Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I got a delivery from Amazon and I got my three pickups. I got the Lightyear on Blu-ray. I got the Elvis on 4K and I got Real Genius. So let's take a look at Lightyear. I read mixed reviews about this film. A lot of comments on social media. I mean, there's people that liked it. There's people that hated it. You know, I guess I haven't seen it, so I'm gonna give it a shot and see how it is. Let's open it up. And I like most of the Pixar movies, but this one really got some mixed reviews. So and let's take a look at the presentation in the front. No slipcover. Maybe if I would have ordered it through the Disney Movie Club, it would have come with a slipcover, and I think it was a different cover art as well. So yeah, here's the spine, and here's the back. You want to pause, you may. Some bonus extras as well. All right, let's open this up. And we got, this is is it the DVD? Yeah, I think that one's DVD and one's the Blu-ray. It was nice that they both came with disc cards, so that was pretty good. All right, so yeah, that's the Lightyear. Now let's take a look at Elvis. I heard some pretty good reviews on this one. That Austin Butler did an amazing job as Elvis. I read a lot of good reviews on that. Here's the spine. Let's take a look at the back. And let's take a look at the inside. Alright. Remove the codes. Alright, you got the Blu-ray on a yellow disc. Kind of like yellowish, tannish, you know. And then you got the 4K disc like a reddish orange. Wish they would have put a disc guard on these, man. But it's alright. It is what it is. So there's the Elvis. There's some special features there. Special features on the Blu-ray. Alright, so that's Elvis. And out of the three, this is really the one I've been looking forward to. Real Genius. This was a movie from the 80s. I believe it was 1985. So I'm an 80s kid, so I never owned it on any format, so good to have it on 4K and Blu-ray, because it comes with the Blu-ray as well. So yeah, I like this this cover art, man. Looks pretty good. Let's take a look at the spine, and here's the back. Gives up some notices, special features. Special features are also on the Blu-ray disc. Yeah, this is going to be a good one, man. I haven't seen this one in years. Looking forward to watching this. And of course, comes with a different art. Yeah, right. Now the front looks. Meet Chris Knight, the Einstein of the 80s. The spine. See, the back is the same. Yeah, they're the same, but the front is what's different, way different. All right, let's take a look at the inside. So you have the Blu-ray disc. Nice that they put a disc cart, and you got the 4K disc, and it's just like the front cover there. All right, so I'm looking forward to Real Genius. So there you have it, guys. I have so it's Real Genius, Elvis, and Lightyear. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like physical media, if you like collecting movies like myself, hit that notification bell for upcoming videos. And thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.